To be honest, any workout will burn calories, but to be blunt, addressing what and how much food goes into your mouth is always better than trying to burn it off with exercise, because you can't out-train your fork. There is a sweet spot, however, with long, slow rows that burn calories as you row and short, sharp rows that have a thermogenic afterburn effect, torching calories long after you've picked yourself up off the floor. So, this playlist contains a collection of these rows, long and slow and short and fast. Now, you don't have to do them in the order I'm presenting them to you, but it does remove the element of deciding what to do that day. If you decide to go and do these in an order of your own choosing, make sure to throw at least one fast session in for every 5 long sessions you do. Because if you don't, your body will start to get used to the long, slow rows and will get more efficient at them, burning less calories. A quick, short, sharp row can keep your body guessing, and it'll be less likely to hit this plateau. Now, if you don't like the look of the fast rows I've suggested, I've put in a load of other options at the bottom of this playlist. You can row these on any rowing machine, Concept 2, water rower, magnetic rower, it doesn't matter as long as you put in the right intensity. And there are only 2 intensities. Low intensity, your breathing rate is up, heart rate is up at around 60 to 70% of max heart rate, which is also known as the UT2 zone, but it doesn't feel tough, like walking up a constant flight of stairs in no rush. But for the fast rows, make sure to keep the intensity for them right up there, at 90% of max or more, if you're healthy to do so. If I give you a pace option in the row, always pick the faster one for these fast rows. You must feel like you're working at max on the fast rows in order to get the most effective calorie burn. And ignore me if I say that a specific row is part of a plan. I've pulled this playlist together from the 500 plus rows I have here on this channel currently. And I hope it goes without saying that you should only undertake an exercise regime if you know your body is okay to do so. Check with your doctor if you're unsure. Enjoy these rows and do make sure to let me know how you get on with them, either here on the RowAlong Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, or at info@rowalong.com. Be well, take care, bye bye.